Hey there, gardening enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of eco-friendly gardening hacks. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these sustainable tips are going to blow your mind. So, let's jump right in. Before we get into the hacks, let's talk about why eco-friendly gardening is so important. Not only does it benefit our planet by reducing waste and chemical use, but it also creates healthier and more vibrant gardens. By choosing eco-friendly methods, we can lower our carbon footprint and support biodiversity in our own backyard. Plus, it's safer for our families and pets. Now, let's explore some amazing hacks that will transform your garden into a sustainable paradise. Hack 1: DIY composting. First up, we have DIY composting. Instead of tossing food scraps into the trash, why not turn them into nutrient-rich compost for your garden? It's easy, reduces waste, and enriches your soil naturally. Hack 2: Rainwater harvesting. Next, let's talk about rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater in barrels saves water and reduces your water bill. Plus, plants love natural rainwater without added chemicals. Hack 3: Companion planting. Another brilliant hack is companion planting. By strategically placing compatible plants together, you can naturally repel pests and promote healthy growth. It's like nature's pest control. Hack 4: Mulching. Don't forget about mulching. Mulch not only retains moisture and suppresses weeds, but also enriches the soil as it decomposes. Plus, it gives your garden a tidy, polished look. Hack 5: Using natural pest control. Lastly, let's discuss natural pest control. Instead of harsh chemicals, introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, or use homemade remedies like neem oil to keep pests at bay. It's safer for your garden and the environment. Are you new to gardening? We've got you covered with some beginner-friendly tips to kickstart your eco-friendly garden journey. Tip 1: Start small. Start small and manageable. A small garden bed or container garden is perfect for beginners and requires less resources. Tip 2: Choose native plants. Opt for native plants that are well suited to your region. They require less maintenance and support local wildlife. Tip 3: Learn about soil health. Take time to understand your soil. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Test your soil and amend it with organic matter for optimal growth. And there you have it, folks. Eco-friendly gardening isn't just a trend. It's a rewarding lifestyle that benefits both us and the planet. Try out these hacks and tips, and let's make our gardens greener together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners. Happy gardening!